How do I navigate and control browsing the internet on my Roku TV?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore how you can navigate and control browsing the internet on your Roku TV. Roku TVs are a fantastic device that offers a variety of features, including internet browsing. So, let's get started.
Getting started with your Roku TV.
First off, make sure your Roku TV is connected to the internet. You'll need an active internet connection to browse the web. You can do this by going to the Settings menu, then Network, and finally, Set up Connection to connect your Roku TV to your Wi-Fi network.
Accessing the web browser.
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Roku TVs don't come with a built-in web browser. But there's an alternative. You can use screen mirroring from another device like a smartphone, tablet, or computer to access the internet. 1. To do this, first, ensure your device and Roku TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. 2. Next, go to Settings, then System, and finally, Screen Mirroring on your Roku TV. Make sure screen mirroring is enabled. 3. Now, on your device, phone, tablet, or computer, find the option to cast or mirror your screen. This varies by device, but you can usually find it in the display or connection settings. 4. Select your Roku TV from the list of devices to start mirroring.
Navigating the internet on your Roku TV.
Once your screen is being mirrored on the Roku TV, you can use your device to navigate the internet. 1. Open your preferred web browser on your device. 2. Navigate to the website you want to view on your Roku TV. The web page should appear on your Roku TV. Remember, your device acts as the controller, so you will need to control everything from there. And there you have it. That's how you can navigate and control browsing the internet on your Roku TV using screen mirroring. While it might not be as straightforward as having a built-in browser, it's a handy workaround that lets you surf the web right from your TV. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and happy browsing!